Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Amazon Basics 11.6-inch laptop sleeve. Now, Amazon Basics products have very minimalistic packaging. As you can see, they've got the cardboard box within which the device comes in. And on the back-hand side, you have a little note on the top regarding the distributor's contact information. Then you have the pricing sticker, as well as the contact information for customer support. And we'll just proceed into the unboxing part. This is what it looks like. It's got a very minimalist look. We've got the Amazon Basics branding on the top left corner. This zipper that opens up the sleeve. There's nothing on the bottom. The sides have a little bit of textured finish, which is similar to what the zipper has. On the inside, you just have a little filler. Once that opens up, you can see that the inside has a nice textured finish. Again, this is padded, so your screen, or rather the top half and bottom half of plastic laptops which are prone to scratches, that will be well protected inside this sleeve. There's nothing else on the inside aside from a little sticker of Amazon Basics. And as we mentioned, it's quite thick with the padding. This should provide ample amount of protection for your laptop or tablet, whatever you wish to use this with. That's it for the unboxing of the Amazon Basics 11.6 inches laptop sleeve. Thank you for watching.